Okay, another 1/48 decal sheet from Iliad Design. This one's British Commonwealth Air Training Plan Ansons. So basically these are all trainer aircraft, and my guess is that we're going to be based in, should be based in Canada. There's the decal sheet of paper. You can see, yeah, Manitoba, Ontario, Saskatchewan, yeah, all based in Canada. And again, you see all the little notes they put on here to make sure get things right, which windows are blanked out, little white landing lights surrounding little panels and things on the nose that need painting differently. Some detail behind the engines you can't see. They all seem to be sort of a variation of yellow and camouflage, with a couple of them just completely yellow, which will make for easy painting, apart from the fact it's yellow, which I don't know, personally I find a bit of a pain to paint, to get it solid. But it certainly would stand out on the shelf. So those are pretty neat. Lots of them have got different, what normally glass panels, actually painted over, so you can make life a little easier for yourself by going one of the two with extra perspex windows painted over. Of the page, a big block of yellow in the camouflage. That gives you, yeah, top and bottom areas. How to get this curve right. Mask the yellow area with a 22.2mm diameter circle, then apply the type A roundel. So that's all pretty cool, lots of extra details there. That's pretty neat. And the decal sheet itself, the yellows are nice and solid, which is good. Colours look good. No backing film visible apart from holding, it's needed to hold numbers together. And this will go with, there's no specifics about any, and these are all Anson Mark 1s, so as long as you've got an Anson Mark 1 in 1/48 scale, you're good to go. Best place to get these is direct from Iliad Decals. I'll put the link underneath the video. But obviously other people will stock them as well. Many thanks to Iliad for sending it along for us to have a look at.